So today we're going to talk about how to create our content. We're going to talk about content strategies generally, how we can plan our contents, based off of our content pillars. And I'm going to share a content calendar, the same one that I use with you, so that you can, of course, use it as well. We're going to focus on creating evergreen content that will provide long-term value for your content, for your
Toby,
audience.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to cut you. But I think I had cut off Vanessa. Wasn't Vanessa giving her in her sheet, or she did it already?
She did. She did.
Oh,
Right.
sorry. Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna talk about the evergreen. So I was talking about evergreen, what's it called? Evergreen content and all of that. And what this content is, content that will continue to serve people for the long term, not just, they are trending content and they are evergreen content. So we're going to focus on that content that will provide long-term value for your audience. So now that you have reviewed your content pillars, I hope that you have reviewed your content pillars and that you're certain and strong about it. And you now know whether your content is going to be educational or motivational or entertainment or inspirational, because you know that everyone can teach any content in any way, right? You can teach, your content can be educational, it can also be inspirational, and it can also be taught via entertainment. So now I'm hoping that you're certain as to which style your content is going to, follow. So now we're going to brainstorm content ideas. And how I want you to do that is, first of all, go find um, a creator, right, that is already within your niche, and look at how they're creating their content. Look at how their audience is responding to their content. Maybe you even want to go into their comment sections to look at what their subscribers are looking for that is lacking within that person's content. Look for their viral videos, and you see that, okay, maybe um, um, crystals, maybe focusing on crystals is doing better than focusing on this, or maybe focusing on nature is doing better, or maybe talking about self-care is doing better than self-improvement, or maybe people are not struggling with, self-esteem issues again, they're struggling with something. You want to look into that as well. Okay. And then you will now organize your content calendar. I want you to plan like 30 days worth of content. And the reason we're going to do that is for consistency. A lot of people struggle with being consistent on YouTube, and that's because they're failing to plan ahead, And even though I am a proponent of spontaneity, like you can just wake up in the morning and you want to create a different kind of content, it is always important that you have something planned out. For example, when I plan out my content, my early hours of Sunday mornings, like in the midnight, most times are my recording days, or early in the morning. So I'm recording like 6 or 7 videos for the week, so that I will not lag behind and so that I'll be able to sustain that consistency. And that's what I tell people. Being consistent is very easy. You just have to, organize and plan ahead. Okay. So I'm going to share my content calendar with you right now. I'm going to share my screen and show you. Um, where is it? Where are you? Okay, so I have to open. It's not allowing me share an app, so I have to open it on the web. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me sign into Excels. Has anyone heard about Excels before? Have you guys heard about Excels? Does anyone know Excels?
No, ma.
You've not.
I heard of it from one of your videos, but I really don't, know what it is to say.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Excel is simply a note-taking app, and also a calendar app. It's an amazing app, It's like Notion, but it's a simpler version of Notion, and that's what I use for my content calendar. So I'm going to share it with you. If you like it, you can use it. Now, if you don't like it, you can use any other thing to to schedule your content. But the assignment that I want you to do this week is to go look at other people and then schedule your content ahead. Like I want you to have 30 days worth of content because in December, we're going to be creating content every day. Like the entire 31 days of December, we're going to be creating content every single day. And I want you to be ready for it. Okay. All right. So when you duplicate the calendar, so when you get the link for the calendar, it's going to ask you to download Xtiles. And when you download Xtiles, you're going to click over here and then you will see duplicate, right? So you will duplicate the calendar and it will automatically appear on your account. So here is the channel name, yeah, your target audience, right? Your monetization goals, the ways you intend to make money on YouTube. And there's a video covering this entire, topic on the channel. Here, you're going to write your content pillars, your channel niche, your subscriber count, your growth goals, right? So the growth goals are the ways that you intend to grow your channel. How do you want to grow your channel? This is what you're going to write here. Are you going to be posting weekly or daily or live stream? And the reason I want you to write this is because I want you to commit to it. Now we're going to remove this one because this one we have realized that it hurts your channel rather than, rather than make it grow. So we're going to delete that. We're not going to do WhatsApp broadcasts anymore. All right. So subscriber engagement and Google Ads. I haven't done Google Ads yet, but if it's something that you intend to do, go ahead and put it there. Then your content pillars, you're going to write your content pillars here. The main topics you would like to cover consistently, just like we said the last time. Your target keywords. So if you have keywords that you target most of the time, you're going to write it over here. Then your weekly to-dos, you can do it here too. Excel is an amazing app. Generally, I use it for everything, right? You can use your weekly to-dos. You can put your weekly to-do list here. And you can also set reminders for it to remind you of that. And then here's the content calendar. And over here, you're going to write the title, right? Status, whether you're scripting or you're recording or you've postponed it or it's in ideation, you can, put it there. The date that you intend to publish it, the keywords, if you have created the thumbnails, you're going to attach it over there. So it's easy to, view. And this is your calendar by publish date. It's going to show you the calendar view. The days that you're supposed to publish what is going to show it to you over here. Okay. And this form, for example, you copy the link of this form and you have it on your phone. So anytime you want to populate your content calendar, you just fill this form, you click submit, and everything goes into the table view over here. So that's another one. And then here, this is where you're going to start from actually. You're going to write your video ideas, all the ideas you have in your mind. You're going to write it here. Collaboration ideas, people you intend to collaborate with, because you can start to collaborate with people with as little as 200 subscribers. I started to collaborate when I had, I think, 500 subscribers. Trending topics, like I said, you go to your competitors, people that you're looking up to, other channels that do the same thing as you. You write the trending topics here. If you're going to do live stream, your live stream topic, this is my wish list. And then if you have links, maybe your affiliate links and all of that, you're going to click in here, put them there. So this content calendar planner is going to help you plan your content ahead, and it's going to help you stay on track. It's going to help you stay consistent, because consistency is super important, right? For YouTube, consistency with your content, and also consistency with your posting schedule. So that will be that about the content calendar. If you have any questions about the content calendar, let me know so that I can answer that before we move on. Do we have any questions?
I have a question. So the information that you put in this calendar, it automatically goes onto YouTube, or we still got to do like the videos and then put it? This is just a reminder to do these things.
Wait, so what do you mean go straight onto YouTube?
So you like, well, when you try and move it over from one tab to the next.
Let me open it. I'm not sure I understand. What, like move it over from what tab?
So open it again. I think maybe I'm a bit
Yeah.
confused.
Okay.
Right. So you had some like ideas, status, and I saw you moved something like going to, I think it was the calendar
Okay.
itself.
Let's go to the calendar. Okay.
You see, like you said, you could move. Was it here? I think I missed something. Ideas. So this is basically a reminder of the dates of the stuff that you're doing. It just the a reminder pops up until it's time to do this.
Yes, and then to schedule your content ahead, like plan your content ahead.
And then
So
every
you,
time when the time comes up, it just reminds you that time to send out the content.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So it helps you have everything in one place. Like I know that, okay, September 30, I need to create how to cook chicken, right? And
Right.
if you have a script, you can put the script here. And so that when you're filming, you can use the script on, on the screen.
Okay. Okay. I
And
get
you
it.
can also move it. For example, let's say you couldn't film this one and you can't post it today, or you did something else and you want to post it on another day, you can move it to another
All right.
day.
I think that's the one I talk when you say move something. Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. So
Get
you
it.
can move it to another day. That's it.
Okay.
So yeah.
And this app, is it a something we got to pay for? Is it a subscription?
No. It has a subscription. There's a subscription part of it, but the free one is
So
basically,
it's a free as okay, we're gonna download that. Okay.
yeah, this is free. I use the free one as well. You don't have to pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me show you how that works. Let's open Google Trends, okay? So I'm gonna share my screen again. Okay. So we're going to go into Google Trends, right? This is Google Trends. And you go into this part that says explore and you type health, right?
Mhm.
So you do explore, and over here that says web search. You're going to click that drop down and do YouTube search so that it will show you what people are searching for on YouTube. And you can see that it is people are actually worried about their health right now because it's trending and it has been trending forever. So it's an evergreen niche, I must tell you that.
Mhm.
So let's look at what people are looking for. Social determinants of health, preventative health, journaling for mental health, kidney health, food. This is the top searches, right? For health. But let's look at give me a topic from your,
Finance.
say that again.
Finance.
No. A topic from your niche.
Ah,
What's health?
for my niche.
What's your uh,
I'll let Vanessa go. Let Vanessa go.
say that again?
Personal growth. Okay,
Personal growth?
yes, like
Personal personal development. Okay, so let's do personal development and we're gonna do YouTube search. Okay, so let's do personal growth and development. So as of October 19, we have 100% search. So people are searching for it as of October 19, right? And let's see what they're searching for. It's a little glitchy. There is not enough data to show. So people are not clicking, they're not searching for that exact word, personal development. It has to be something else. Let's think about something else that people
Um,
um
do like eco-friendly living.
eco-friendly living. Mm-mm. There
Wow.
has to be something, there has to be something that people are looking for. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, okay?
Right.
And then we will go to YouTube and see, and we'll type eco-friendly living there. I know you can see my YouTube screen, but I'm just gonna do it for you. So eco-friendly living, and I can see sustainable habits that I do after 10 years. Sustainable habits I'm doing in 2024. Sustainable living, what does it mean? Simple changes for a sustainable future. Okay, so sustainable living is ranking, but there is still not enough search. Let's do crystals and spirituality. There has to be something, right, that
Okay.
people are searching for. That there has to be a search term. And that's why I said you have to see what other people are searching for, right?
How about gardening?
Gardening. So
Uh-huh.
gardening is good.
Yeah.
So you can see there's enough data for gardening. And we have survival gardening, best gardening tools, organic gardening, right? And all of that. Gardening and health. Let me
Right.
see. It's flatline.
Yeah.
There is no pulse.
So finance. We did finance already.
Did we do finance? I'm sure finance will be buzzing right now.
Yeah.
Finance is always,
Yeah.
yeah. Fine, and finance is a high niche, high CPM niche. They get paid.
Or the big money.
Yeah, they have all the big money. Finance, insurance,
Yeah.
yeah. No,
Travel.
but travel, yeah, travel is also fantastic.